All right, today we're diving into the microscopic world of metalloproteins. Now, you've probably never heard of them, but they are the absolute unsung heroes buzzing around inside pretty much every living thing, from a tiny little bacterium all the way up to you and me. They're fundamental to life itself. So, to really get a handle on their power, let's kick things off with a simple question.
Okay, so picture this. You've got the bright red of your blood, and then you have the deep, rich green of a plant leaf. I mean, on the surface, those seem like they're from completely different worlds, right? One helps you breathe, the other soaks up sunlight. But they actually share a powerful secret, a core building block that lets them do their incredible jobs.
And believe it or not, the answer is metal. Yep, that's it. A single, powerful element is the secret ingredient that not only gives blood and leaves their distinct colors, but, and this is way more important, it gives them their function. It's this hidden link that powers two of the most critical processes for life on our planet.
So, all of this brings us right to the star of today's explainer. What exactly is a metalloprotein anyway?
The idea is actually beautifully simple. A metalloprotein is just a protein that has a metal ion tucked away inside it. But here's the kicker. That metal isn't just some random decoration. It's what's called a cofactor, which is a fancy way of saying the protein literally cannot do its job without it. You can think of the metal as the key that turns the protein on and unlocks all of its power.
Now, these proteins do a ton of different jobs, but to keep it simple, we can basically sort them into two major teams. You've got the builders and you've got the doers.
On one side, you have the builders. Their whole purpose is structural, so think of them like the microscopic scaffolding of life. They provide the shape and stability that holds really important molecules together, like our very own DNA. Then you've got the doers. These are the action heroes. They're the ones actively grabbing molecules, carrying them around, and speeding up the chemical reactions that, keep us alive.
So this kind of begs a question, right? How does a big protein manage to get such a perfect, precise grip on one tiny little metal ion? Well, it's definitely not random. It's actually an incredibly elegant process.
It all boils down to three key steps. First, a long chain that makes up the protein starts to fold, kind of like molecular origami, into a really specific 3D shape. As it folds, it creates this perfectly formed little pocket, or binding site. And this is where the magic of biology really kicks in. That pocket isn't just any old hole. It's chemically designed to attract and hold on to one and only one specific type of metal. It's just like a custom-made glove that will only fit a single hand.
Okay, now for the really fun part. Let's see how this whole process creates some of nature's most powerful tools. We're going to check out two real-world examples that I promise you'll recognize. And both of them are, you guessed it, metalloproteins.
First up, we have an absolute celebrity in the protein world, hemoglobin. This is the molecule that makes our blood red and really makes complex animal life possible. Right at the very heart of every single hemoglobin molecule is an atom of iron. And it's that little bit of iron that physically grabs onto oxygen molecules when you breathe in. The protein part then acts like a delivery truck, carrying that precious oxygen cargo to every last cell in your body. And the impact? Well, it's what allows us to have this energetic, air-breathing life. Without iron and hemoglobin working together, we just couldn't exist.
And for our second example, we're circling right back to the other half of that question we started with, chlorophyll, the amazing molecule that makes plants green.
So while hemoglobin uses iron, chlorophyll gets its power from a different metal, magnesium. And that magnesium atom is positioned just perfectly inside the protein to do one thing: capture the energy from a particle of sunlight. That single action, catching a photon of light, is the very first step of photosynthesis, the process that turns sunlight into energy. And its impact is, well, it's almost impossible to overstate. It is the foundation of nearly every single food chain on the planet.
So from the iron that lets us breathe to the magnesium that captures the sun, it's pretty obvious that when you pair the right metal with the right protein, you create one of life's most incredible tools. And that leaves us with one final, really fascinating thought to chew on. If nature can do all of this, what amazing new technologies, what new medicines or new sources of energy could we unlock if we start designing brand new metal proteins of our own?